Now, one of the things that people do, the reason why they start getting into branding and they start with this logo and they start this thing and they start in the wrong areas of their business is because they've been influenced by iconic images. So I want you to think of the iconic imagery that's being used in your target market. So you think of, we'll just say Nike, right? At the time of filming this for you, we'll just think like Colin Kaepernick, right? The one knee, like one knee, like that. That's a big deal. That's the first stat that pops in my mind when I think about Nike now. When I think about the NFL, I think about the kneeling. So we have to really consider that when we're jumping into a certain market. Is that something that we want to represent? Is that something that's working right now? What images do you think of? Now, when I say branding and think of, it's they have created memories for you. More importantly, you've created memories for yourself. The images that are up here are how they've impacted you as a viewer, as an observer, right? As someone who's paying attention, maybe buying their stuff, buying their products, or supporting their messages. They have left something in your mind. You want to make sure that you are in we'll say in sync with that vibe. Is that where you want to go? When you know what they're probably thinking, what images come to mind, then you probably know how you can start positioning your message at the same time and kind of surf that wave.